You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals -23. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 7/4 to both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the y. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4/-1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is y equals -23.